The internet revolutionized information sharing. Now, blockchain technology is poised to do the same for trust and power. At the heart of this revolution lies a simple yet profound concept: decentralization. Decentralization means shifting control from a single entity to a distributed network. This shift has the potential to reshape industries, empower individuals, and create a more equitable world. Imagine a traditional bank. You walk in, greeted by the familiar sight of tellers and customers. It's a place where you deposit your money, apply for loans, and manage your finances. It's a centralized system, with the bank holding all the power. The decisions are made at the top, and the control is in the hands of a few. They control your money, your data, and access to your funds. Every transaction you make is monitored and recorded by the bank. Now imagine a decentralized system. A system where no single entity has control over your assets or information. This is where blockchain comes in. Blockchain technology offers a new way of handling transactions and data. In a blockchain network, there's no single point of control. Instead, the power is distributed across a network of computers. Instead, transactions are validated and recorded by multiple participants. Each participant, or node, has a copy of the entire ledger. This distributed ledger ensures transparency and security, as every transaction is visible to all participants, making it difficult for any single entity to manipulate the system. The integrity of the network is maintained through consensus, ensuring trust and reliability. Blockchain is the technology that makes decentralization possible. It is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its applications go far beyond digital currencies. It's essentially a distributed database, shared across a network of computers called nodes. These nodes work together to maintain and secure the blockchain, ensuring that it remains transparent and tamper-proof. Each node has a copy of the blockchain, which is constantly updated with new transactions. This decentralized nature means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it more resilient to attacks and failures. But how do these nodes agree on which transactions are valid? This is a critical aspect of blockchain technology, as it ensures the integrity and trustworthiness of the data. This is where consensus mechanisms come in. These are protocols that help all the nodes in the network come to an agreement on the state of the blockchain. Consensus algorithms like proof of work or proof of stake ensure that all nodes agree on the state of the blockchain. Proof of work involves solving complex mathematical problems, while proof of stake relies on the amount of cryptocurrency a node holds, making it incredibly difficult to alter or corrupt the data. This high level of security and integrity is what makes blockchain technology so revolutionary and promising for various industries. Section 4. The benefits of decentralization, security, transparency, and resilience. Decentralization offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it enhances security. With no single point of failure, blockchain networks are highly resistant to attacks. Secondly, it promotes transparency. All transactions are recorded on the public ledger, visible to anyone. This transparency fosters trust and accountability. Finally, decentralization increases resilience. Even if one part of the network fails, the rest can continue operating, ensuring system uptime and reliability. Section 5. Decentralization in action, real-world applications. In this section, we will explore how decentralization is not just a theoretical concept but a practical solution being implemented across various sectors. Decentralization is already making waves across various industries, from finance to social media, and even supply chain management. The impact is profound and far-reaching. In finance, decentralized finance, or DeFi, is disrupting traditional banking. It offers services like lending, borrowing, and trading without the need for intermediaries, making financial services more accessible and inclusive. Imagine being able to secure a loan or trade assets without ever stepping into a bank. Social media platforms are also exploring decentralized models. This shift gives users unprecedented control over their data and content, reducing the power of centralized entities and enhancing privacy. Users can now decide how their information is used and shared. Supply chains are becoming more transparent and efficient thanks to blockchain-based tracking systems. These systems allow for real-time tracking of goods, reducing fraud and errors, and ensuring that products are authentic and sourced responsibly. These are just a few examples of how decentralization is transforming our world. From healthcare to real estate, the applications are endless and continually evolving. As blockchain technology matures, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. These advancements will empower individuals, foster a more equitable society, and pave the way for a decentralized future where power is distributed more evenly across the globe. As we have seen, decentralization is not just a buzzword, it is a transformative force reshaping industries and societies. But what does the future hold? The road ahead is paved with possibilities and challenges alike. Emerging technologies like blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are set to revolutionize the way we interact, transact, and govern. Imagine a world where trust is embedded in the very code that underpins our digital interactions, where intermediaries become relics of the past and where power is truly decentralized. This vision is not as far-fetched as it might seem. Every day, innovators and thought leaders are pushing the boundaries, turning these possibilities into realities. However, the journey is not without its hurdles. Regulatory landscapes need to adapt, technical scalability must be achieved, and societal acceptance is crucial. Yet the momentum is undeniable. The seeds of decentralization have been sown, and their growth is inevitable. As we continue to navigate this fascinating landscape, one thing is certain: decentralization holds the promise of a more equitable, transparent, and resilient world. It's a future where power is distributed, opportunities are democratized, and individuals are empowered like never before. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of decentralization. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Together, we are shaping the future.